12 top vegetables to support heart health and prevent heart attacks. The heart and arteries form a crucial part of the cardiovascular system, responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. The heart is a muscular organ divided into 4 chambers: the left and right atria and the left and right ventricles. Blood low in oxygen returns to the right atrium from the body and is then pumped into the right ventricle. From there, it's sent to the lungs to pick up oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium and is pumped into the left ventricle, which then delivers it to the rest of the body through the arteries. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. The largest artery is the aorta, which branches into smaller arteries that further divide into arterioles and eventually into tiny capillaries. These capillaries deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues and organs before the deoxygenated blood returns to the heart through the veins. Now let's explore 5 vegetables that have been shown to support arterial health and reduce the risk of heart attacks. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Rich in nitrates, leafy greens help relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall vascular function. They are also packed with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the arteries. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher dietary intake of nitrate-rich vegetables, including leafy greens, was associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease mortality. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that sulforaphane may help reduce plaque buildup in the arteries and improve cardiovascular health. Research published in the journal Clinical Nutrition suggests that sulforaphane, a compound found in broccoli, may help reduce arterial plaque buildup and improve cardiovascular health. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Lycopene helps lower levels of LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which can lead to arterial plaque formation. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Lipid Research concluded that lycopene supplementation significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to arterial plaque formation. 4. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have numerous cardiovascular benefits. Garlic may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and inhibit platelet aggregation, thereby preventing blood clots and improving arterial health. A meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials published in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine found that garlic supplementation significantly reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. 5. Avocado. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants like vitamins C and E. Regular avocado consumption has been associated with improved cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and lower blood pressure, all of which contribute to better arterial function and reduced risk of heart attacks. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that avocado consumption significantly improved LDL cholesterol levels and reduced LDL particle number in overweight and obese adults. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the arteries. The polyphenols found in olive oil also exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, further supporting cardiovascular health. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that participants assigned to a Mediterranean diet supplemented with EVOO had a significantly lower risk of major cardiovascular events including heart attacks, compared to those on a low-fat diet.
What's next?
7. Beets. Beets are high in dietary nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Several studies have demonstrated that beetroot juice supplementation can lower blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and enhance exercise performance. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutrition concluded that dietary nitrate supplementation from beets and beetroot juice significantly improved endothelial function, a key factor in arterial health. 8. Berries. It's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. Regular consumption of berries has been associated with improved endothelial function, reduced blood pressure, and decreased risk of heart disease. A systematic review published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that berry consumption was associated with improvements in several markers of cardiovascular health, including blood pressure and arterial stiffness. 9. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, as well as antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E. Studies have shown that walnut consumption can improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and enhance endothelial function. A randomized controlled trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily walnut consumption improved endothelial function in individuals with hyperlipidemia, suggesting a protective effect on arterial health. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that curcumin supplementation may help reduce arterial plaque buildup, improve endothelial function, and lower the risk of cardiovascular events. A meta-analysis published in Nutrition Journal concluded that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced levels of inflammatory markers and improved endothelial function in individuals with metabolic syndrome. 11. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, potent antioxidants that have been shown to improve cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving lipid metabolism. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and stroke.
I think I'm gonna try green tea mixed with lemon zinger.
A meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea consumption was associated with a reduced risk of coronary artery disease and stroke, particularly among those with high green tea intake. 12. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, particularly flavonols, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of dark chocolate can improve endothelial function, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dark chocolate consumption was associated with improvements in several markers of cardiovascular health, including endothelial function and blood pressure. Incorporating these 12 foods into your diet can help support arterial health, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart attacks. However, consuming them as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is essential. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing cardiovascular conditions. Time for some reflection of what we have learned, with some questions and answers. 1. Question: did you know which vegetable is rich in nitrates, helping to relax blood vessels and improve cardiovascular health? Answer: leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with nitrates, which have been shown to support arterial health by reducing blood pressure and inflammation. 2. Which fruit contains a compound called lycopene, known for its ability to reduce LDL cholesterol levels and prevent arterial plaque buildup? Answer. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps lower LDL cholesterol and protects against oxidative damage to the arteries. 3. What type of fat found in olive oil has been linked to improved cholesterol levels and reduced risk of heart disease? Answer. Monounsaturated fats, abundant in olive oil, have been shown to support heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol and reducing inflammation in the arteries. 4. Question. Which vegetable contains dietary nitrates that are converted into nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow? Answer. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which play a key role in enhancing endothelial function and promoting arterial health. 5. Question. What compound found in turmeric has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties and its potential to reduce arterial plaque buildup? Answer. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, exhibits potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making it beneficial for arterial health and reducing the risk of heart attacks. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more health tips and recipes for a heart-healthy lifestyle.